Hey, hello YouTube. How are ya? I want to make this video for Brian nephew because it is his 39th birthday on November 4th. Hey Brian, happy birthday. Same as Jay, I want to say that even you're getting old, but you still look young. um, I want to wish you to have a lot of love from Jay and your family. You have a beautiful family, you know that. And continue making your vlog. You make us inspired. But you need to conquer your fear in the horror movies, sort of. And have a good day. And I love your Friday. Every time I watch that, my day completes. Okay, see you soon.